Welcome back to our video lecture. Web application sessions are often maintained by session ID tokens that consist of random or pseudo-random values. Because of this, randomness is absolutely critical to the security of these applications. In this recipe, we will see how to collect generated values and test them for randomness using Burp Suite sequencer. Burp Suite sequencer performs a number of different mathematical evaluations against a sample of pseudo-random numbers in an attempt to determine the sources of entropy from when they were generated. Live capture can be used to generate sample values by issuing crafted requests that will result in new values being assigned. This is often done by removing an existing cookie's value from a request so that the response provides a new session token in the form of a new setCookie response header. Let's open our browser. Open Burp Suite and intercept is on. Let's refresh the page. Here you can see that proxy is captured the request from the browser. Now I'm going to send this request to repeater tool and right click and send to repeater. Repeater tool we have already learned. In the params tab, we can add or remove cookies, post data and the URL. Now I will remove all the cookies except security. Hit go button to send the repeater. Here you can see that in the response editor, get the response from the server. If a response containing the set cookies header value and other pseudo-random number value to be tested, so we need to be sent to sequencer. Burp will automatically populate the cookie drop-down menu with all the cookie values set in the response. Alternatively, you can use the custom location field and then the configure button to designate any location in the response for testing. After defining the value to be tested, click on the Start Live Capture button. This will start submitting a large number of requests to acquire additional values for the defined parameter. Burp will issue a large number of requests with the PHP SESSID value stripped from the request. This will cause the server to generate a new session token for each request. By doing this, we can acquire a sample of values that can be subjected to FIPS testing. This will consist of series of tests that will evaluate the entropy associated with the generated pseudo-random numbers. All of these tests can be represented in a graphical format that is easy to understand. For a highly accurate and true FIPS test, a total of 20,000 values, but an analysis can be performed with as few as 100 values. In addition to performing a live capture, the manual load tab can be used to upload or paste a list of values for testing. That's all about sequencer. If you have confused with any tool, please feel free to ask. In the OWASP Top 10 Vulnerability lectures, we will discuss how they are used in pen testing or bug bounty program. Thank you. See you in the next class.